So you've drawn up your site plan, and now we want to place our site plan on a sheet, and we want to start building a legend. So most of you I know have already started creating your legends, and so I just want to go over quickly how to set up a legend. So the first thing let's do, let's just get a sheet going here. So we're going to right click on our sheets, we'll go to new sheet, and right now it has A1 metric in here. We want to use an ArcD, so if we go to insert, load Autodesk family, and we can go down to title blocks. And if you notice when we do this, it's going to not give us an ArcD option. We can go here and we can click our global icon here, and we can click here and we can go to US Imperial. And on US Imperial, we can then go down to our title blocks and we can find ArcD. And this size is a little bit off, so theoretically what you could do is just expand it so it's 24 by 36. But for this initial assignment, it probably doesn't matter that much. So we'll click load here. We'll load in, we'll click on our title block, we'll change this to be our ArcD. And now we can drag our site plan onto our sheet. Obviously you want to change the scale so it matches. We obviously have to add some more text and stuff to this, but that's just in general how to get started. So let's change our scale. I'm gonna have to make my scale probably a lot bigger or a lot smaller to get it to fit. We could also change our angle to true north. So if you prefer to see your front at the bottom or your front at the top, maybe you just leave it like this. But I think in my case, I'm gonna need to go to 1 to 500. Just it's not gonna fit on my title block this way. And then I'm gonna adjust my crop region. So let's double click into this view. Let's turn on our crop, and we can see here that we can bring our crop view in. We don't need to show our whole street. We just want to show our whole property. So we can crop our view just so we see only a portion of the street like so. And before I finish with this crop or with this area, I'm just going to go to VG. I don't really want to see the project base point. I don't want to see these elevation tags. So if we go to VG, we can go down to our site, and we can go here and we can turn off survey point, turn off project base point, and then we could go over here to annotation categories and go down to elevations and turn that off. So that's placing your site plan on the sheet.